LECFC News Update.
Uy!
Isang masiglang umaga sa ating lahat.
Nandito po kami muli upang ihatid sa inyo ang news
At update
sa loob
at labas ng ating iglesia.
Ako po si Jason!
At ako po si Rogen.
At ito ang... What's up?
Legacy City News Update! Thursday,
Ay nagkaroon po ng meeting
ang mga katatayan,
at tahanan ni
Brother Junior Frank.
abangan natin ang mga nangyari. Tuloy pa rin po ang ating music school tuwing Sabado sa ganap na alas 5 hanggang alas 6 ng hapon. Abangan ang mga gagraduate ngayong Disyembre.
Tuloy na tuloy din po ang ating cell group training sa ganap na alauna hanggang alas 3 ng hapon. Kita-kits ko maya!
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. For the young people, the youth service is for you. 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday. Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka ng kinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan! For all the church workers, don't forget our workers' fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another.
Be strong and brave!
Don't be afraid and don't panic because the Lord our God
Is with us in all we do.
kaya patuloy naman po tayo magtiwala sa kakayanan ng ating Panginoon.
Dahil siya ay tunay na tapat.
Hanggang sa muli,
Kita-kita tayo
sa bagong edisyon ng Legacy News